case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1998, a tragic collision between a United States-owned bus and a car driven by 18-year-old Enrique Calva-Cerqueira resulted in severe injuries to Calva-Cerqueira, including paralysis and loss of sensation on the left side of his body. In response, he brought a case against the United States under the Federal Tort Claims Act, seeking compensation for his injuries. In May 2001, the United States District Court for the District of Columbia found the United States liable for the accident. After an 8-day trial in 2002, the court awarded Calva-Cerqueira $20 million in damages, including $5 million for pain and suffering, $899,325 for past medical expenses, $2,562,906 for future lost wages, and $15,435,836 for future medical and related expenses. The court determined that the damages for future medical expenses should be paid directly to Calva-Cerqueira and ordered the defendant to pay the fees of the guardian ad litem. The court declined the defendant's request for a reversionary medical trust. Ultimately, the court ruled that the plaintiff was entitled to $20 million in damages for medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Furthermore, the defendant's request for a reversionary medical trust was denied, and the defendant was ordered to pay the guardian ad litem's fees for their services.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.